Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. If you are new, welcome. In today's video I want to share best IQ option strategy that work perfectly in 1 minute. This strategy work for both OTC market and the normal market very well, but work perfectly under stable market condition. I want to explain the strategy once I execute a trade, and have sure give this video like in order this information to reach to the majority of people who need such information. Candle time period I want to use 2 minutes. For each candle in my chart is 2 minutes. For each contract will expire in 1 minute. So I want to add up some indicator I want to use in this strategy. I want to use moving average. Period I want to use 5. Type I want to use simple moving average, and the color I want to change to green. Thickness I want to increase thickness and apply, and I want to add up another moving average, but period in this moving average I want to decrease to 2. Simple moving type I want to use simple moving average, and the color I want to use white color. I want to increase thickness and apply. Last indicator I want to use relative strength index RSI. I want to use 13 baseline period, and the rest I will leave as default. And let's see an opportunity. And today I want to trade in live market, and have sure you subscribe if you are new to my channel and turn notification bell on. Once I come up with another video, you will be notified. Okay, once I take a trade I will explain why I take the trade. Here I wanna going to take this trade. I wanna sell this trade. Why I sell this trade? But it was late trade. I was supposed to enter a trade at this candlestick. Why I take this trade? We take a trade once we see the moving average, simple moving average white line cross over green line, that is 5 simple moving average, and we see RSI line must be below the middle line, that is 50, or it's cross the middle line and going down, or it cross the lower line and going down. This will be perfect, and let's see the result. Okay, we see we win. Okay, and I enter the second candle because there is a stability of this currency pair showing a strong dropping. That's why I take this trade. So let us see another opportunity like that one, previous one, and let me know in the comment down below, do you prefer more signals or strategy like this one? And let me in the comment down below. For the next time I can just structure the model of assist you for the future time. So if you prefer more strategy, if you prefer more signal, let me know in order to assist you to take your trade to the next level, and let me see another opportunity. And if you prefer both signal and strategy, let me know as well. So for the case of this trade like this one, I can take a trade like this one here because of the stability of the market is going up. We see the green candle that is stable and is going up. We use this essence of RSI line is crossover upper line and already cross over this line here. So let me take this trade. Okay, we see the price is still going up, and this is work perfectly. And things I was explaining, stable market is the market like this one. You see the price is going without leaving many tail like this one. Like this one, stable market is heading in one direction perfectly. You see we win the second trade. Okay, and this is live market. So this strategy work perfectly once you follow everything I teach you in this video. And have sure if you are new to my channel, consider to subscribe and turn notification bell. Once it come up to another video, you will be first to be notified. And have sure you give this video thumbs in order this information to reach the majority of people who need such information. And leave a comment, let me know, do you prefer more signal or strategy? And if you prefer both signal and strategy, also let me know as well in the comment down below. If you are new to this platform, you will grab a link of the platform and go and register for future to access VIP signal. Bye bye for now.